welcome in to another stitch tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you crab stitch. So for that I need a sample. We're pretending this is a blanket. My blanket, it's massive. It needs border on it. My massive blanket is going to have a crab stitch border used with some scrap. I hope you're going to be able to see it. I hope I don't end up with massive yarn bath, because that won't be a good thing. But crab stitch is fairly simple. If you can do a single crochet, you should be able to do a crab stitch, and it looks quite effective as well. So now I've sorted out all about one bit of yarn bath. It's never a good start, but you know, yarn bath even happens to me. You're not alone. Okay, there we go. Done. So what we need to do when we have finished our blanket or scarf or whatever we're adding a border to, we want to go anywhere on the edge where we have done a single crochet all the way around and just join on our border yarn. So whether you do that in a different colour or the same colour is down to you. This is your project. I'm showing you with a blue because it's different to the colour of my blanket. Remember, it's a blanket, okay? Okay. Now for single crochet, I would go into the next working stitch just there. Bring it up, and that would be my single crochet. But that isn't what we're doing. Instead of going that way, we are heading backwards. So my yarn is over there, and that is the direction I'm going to put my hook. So I'm going into the stitch behind where I'm starting, going in, get my tail out of the way, that'd help. Sorry. Bring in, yarn over, pull through, so you have two on your hook, yarn over, pull through those two. And again, working backwards, going to the next, yarn over, pull through, so you have the two on your hook, yarn over, pull through the two. And the next one, working backwards, now what I will say is don't do this too tight, because if you do it too tight, it's not gonna be good for you. You're gonna struggle. So do it at a fairly nice tension. And look at that, see? I over-loosed that bit. But you will see that as you go round in your backwards manner, you'll see that you have like a twisting effect going on with your stitches. So you go in, yarn over, pull through to have two on your hook. There you go, so you can see them properly. Two on your hook, yarn over, pull through the two. Next stitch, in, yarn over, pull through, two on your hook, yarn over, pull through the two. in to the next working stitch, pull up a loop, trying to show you the loops, there you go, yarn over, pull through, and you just keep it going. It is that simple. So I'll just do a few speedy uppy ones, although I'm not speeding this up editing, I'm going to just crochet normal just to get this edging done to show you the actual effect. And you want to make sure you're working in every stitch. When you get to your corner or the peak of your triangle or whatever it may be, make sure you go in every stitch. So even though my blanket is not a uniform shape, I am still going in every stitch of the single crochet that I've already edged it in. I'm going in, yarning over, bringing up a loop so you have two on your hook, yarning over, bringing through. You're just working backwards. Now I kind of twist things, I grant you. I go in a downwards fashion, twist, and then bring up, because I find it easier. But the other way you can do it, if it's easier for you, is go in so you're going up, which I find very awkward. But you can go up, yarn over. See, I'm finding it awkward. And drawing up a loop and then yarning over. I find it too awkward to do that. But we all find what is right and what is comfortable for us. So if you can do a single crochet, don't be scared. Crab is a single crochet, you're just working backwards. So if you normally work left to right, you are working right to left. If you normally work right to left, you're now working left to right. And now we're coming to the end. When I get to where I began again, I will do my last crab stitch, and then I'm going to slip stitch. You don't want to create a chain, you don't want to create another crab, you just simply slip stitch. And there you can see the twisting of the crab stitch. That's it! Done and dusted. How easy was that? You see, you can. You can. If it's any use whatsoever, if it's helped you in just a little bit, maybe give a thumbs up and subscribe down below. Maybe. Hopefully it's helped you. See you later. Bye bye.